How to use multiple Instagram accounts on your Mac. If you want to access more than one Instagram account on your Mac without constantly signing in and out, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Safari on your Mac. Next, click Safari in the menu bar and select Settings. Now, open the Profiles tab. If you haven't created a second profile yet, click Start Using Profiles or Add Profile. Give the new profile a name, choose a color and icon if you'd like, and then click Create Profile. Once the new profile opens, go to the Instagram website and sign in with your second Instagram account. Your original Safari profile can stay signed into your first Instagram account, while the new profile keeps your second account completely separate. To switch between accounts, simply open a new Safari window using the profile you want to use. Each profile has its own cookies, browsing history, and website data, so your Instagram accounts won't interfere with each other. This is one of the easiest ways to manage multiple Instagram accounts on your Mac without signing out each time. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.